Sweet, tangy, delicious, sticky, everything you want in the chicken and more. I mean, what more can you ask for? This is chicken adobo. It is a Filipino dish. It's usually served over rice. And I'm going to teach you how to make it today. Hello, beautiful people, and you're welcome back to the Nikki Olori Cooks YouTube channel.
Let's go.
Okay, so first we're gonna go in with 4 chicken wings because we're going to be marinating it. Then we'll add this particular amount of soy sauce. Just trust me on this, guys. Yeah, I know it's very weird amounts. Then we're going to go in with 3 tablespoons vinegar and 2 to 3 cloves minced garlic. We're just going to mince that very, very finely and put it into the same bowl of chicken. Next, we're gonna mix up that chicken. Mix it up really well because we're going to add some bay leaves. Then after that, we're going to be marinating it in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes or up to overnight. Overnight is better as usual. Okay, to move to the sauce. So for that, we're going to mince up 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, 1 small onion, dice that up, and some green onions. This is going to be used for garnishing, that is the green onions, so they're optional. And we're going to move to the stove top. So to a pot over medium-high heat, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of mineral oil and we're going to brown the chicken. And I want you guys to hear the sound of that chicken. You don't have to bother about the chicken, cooking through at all. We just want to brown one side because we're still going to cook it in that sauce till it is nice and, falling off the bone. So you don't have to bother about cooking it through. Before I forget, please do not throw that marinade water away because we're going to use it in the making of the sauce. So don't throw it away. The marinade for this chicken, don't throw it away. We're going to use it. So here I'm just removing the chicken off the heat because I got my desired brownness on both sides. And we're going to deglaze the pan, but before that, let's add a bit of oil and I'm going to make some more aromatics. So I added that garlic and those onions and the diced onion, and we're just going to turn it and let it heat up for like a bit, just for a few seconds because we don't want that bottom to burn. Next, we add in the reserved marinade. Do not throw any part of that marinade away. Once you added the marinade, it should be easy to deglaze it. You can add some more water. I added 3/4 just because to make the marinade a bit more. Then some black pepper, some sugar, just a tablespoon of brown sugar. You can use honey if you so desire, and we'll reduce the heat and let it cook for 5 minutes. After we see this beautiful thing, then we're going to add the chicken back in. We're going to cover it and we're going to let it cook for like 15 to 25 minutes and flip it over in the half time. Maybe if you're using 15 minutes, you can flip it over in like 10 minutes or 25 minutes, flip it over in 15 minutes because we want it to cook through. And you can adjust your seasoning as you need. Here, I was just checking it again. This was after 20 minutes, yes. So I flipped it over. So here I noticed that the chicken was ready to be served, and so I served it. Y'all should just enjoy this for a bit. Okay. Finally, we'll just top this with some green onions and we are done. Delicious. I enjoyed making it and I hope you all will too. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, do what you gotta do. God bless you and have a lovely day.